to show you guys some footage for the last time when the snow finally cleared up and we was able to go to get air and I was able to ride my bike. Well, not my bike, it's my scooter, and it's so amazing. So we're about to show you guys the footage. So let's get started. So love you guys. So hey guys, it's me, Princess Kayla, and welcome back to my channel. And right now I'm just riding on my favorite outside scooter, and it's really cool. Watch this, guys.
That